Right. So insurance, where we are specifically, we're in Whatcom County. So we're at like the very northwestmost point of Washington, right under British Columbia. Would you say that whether in general or just in Whatcom County, in the field of insurance is oversaturated? Do they have a particular quality about them? Like, how would you describe insurance right now?
Yeah, we're in a interesting spot, I would say. I don't think we're oversaturated at all. Some would say otherwise, but I don't think we're oversaturated. That Whatcom County's got nearing 250,000 people in it. And for the amount of insurance agents we have, there's enough for everybody to share.
Right.
We absolutely can help take care of a customer base and build an entire business on it. It's not a problem there. I would say a lot of the companies, their head people, their presidents, their owners, whatever, they're kind of in their 40s right now. You have that kind of middle ground. They're not the newest agents, and they're not going to retire in the next couple of years, but we are seeing a lot of that right now. So I'm seeing a lot of really good companies in Whatcom County that are in their prime, so to say, and still growing and still impressive. So
if I was to transition into insurance right now, specifically in Whatcom County, it sounds like it's actually a really aggressive market at the moment.
I mean, it can be. The fact is, you're competing against some really, really good people. And that's what it comes down to. I've had people that have come up to me and said, oh, I'd love to be an insurance agent. And I have to just point out, I don't think you do a good job. And they're like, wait, what do you mean? I'm like, yeah, there's a lot of people that don't like you. Like that makes a difference. Like you kind of have to get into it already being the sort of person that your circle of influence trusts you and believes in you and relies on you for things. And like, if you weren't willing to help them move 6 months ago, they're going to remember that when you're asking to quote their policy. Like it's the sort of person that you've been over the years plays a role when it comes to insurance. And like when I'm hiring people, I go out of my way to really look for a very unique skill set that is not, can they sell? Like I'm looking for, where is their heart? Like, do they have a servant's heart? Are they the type that wants to open the door for a stranger? Are they type that pulls a weed in a flower bed because it's a weed and they just think it'll look nicer without it? It needs to be done. Do they put a grocery cart back for a stranger rather than screaming and shouting and calling them names? I mean, there's certain dynamics that comes to that. And then when it comes to certain roles, can they handle being bored at times? Because some parts of this job are super, super boring. Like it's a paperwork heavy job. But I got a call yesterday from an old boss and somebody I had not seen in 20 years. She had been driving through the community, saw my name and said, oh my gosh, he's still around. I need to give him a call. And she started asking about other former coworkers. Are you still in touch with these people? And it felt amazing to be able to say, yeah, you know what? I am still this guy's insurance agent, this person's insurance agent, this person's insurance agent. I have this massive circle of influence back from when I used to sell baseball hats at 19 years old that I am still connected to because of the industry I'm a part of. Like the ability that I have to go to my son's swim meets just because I want to, because I've built my business in such a way that allows me to do that. That's an industry thing as well. Like there's a lot of things about our industry that are just awesome for you to be able to have as an insurance agent. But there's also a lot of like the negative and the stuff you got to deal with as well.